Alright guys, so there's a couple things I wanted to show you off my computer screen, just because I've had a lot of questions about it, and there's something new that I want to show you we're going to start doing today. So the very first thing is something on Canvas, and I messaged you guys about this last week, but I just really want to make sure you understand, because I've had a couple of people message me on Canvas, and they've been really upset about their grade, which, you know what, I can understand, because I was one of those kids who would have done the exact same thing that some of you are doing. So one thing I need to show you, I'm just going to show you this really quick, okay? So when you go to do an assignment, for example, so I'm going to go down here to, no, I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to do this one. This is the one right here. So I'm going to do this one as a test student, just like you guys had the other day. So this assignment, I'm going to work on this. I'm going to preview, and I'm going to show you what it's going to do. So Canvas is not as smart as we think it is, first of all, okay? Please understand, when you are typing in these answers, if you don't type it in exactly, and I'm talking like exactly down to the space, it will count you wrong every time. Okay, even when you're not wrong. So when you go through this and you answer your questions, I don't remember what the answer was for this one, but I'm just going to say maybe it was 1.5. If you do 1 and 1/2 like that, oops, not like that, like that, it's going to count you wrong, because on my answer key, I have a space in there. Some of you put 2 spaces. Some of you were doing a space and a space. All of those things are okay. But just so you know, Canvas is very, very picky. If it's not typed in exactly like I type it in, it's going to count you wrong. Now, something to think about. Let's say you finish the assignment, you submit it, and then you realize, oh wow, I did not do very well. Pause. I know that's uncomfortable, and I know that you guys don't like seeing stuff like that, but when it is a fill-in-the-blank question, I have to go back in and I regrade every single one of those. Okay, so if it is one of these fill-in-the-blank quizzes like this, don't stress, because I promise you, I'm going to go in and check your grades. So what I do, and I don't think I can show you, maybe I can, no I can't. So what I do is I go through here and I say, oh yeah, Billy Bob got this one right, 1 point. Oh yeah, so-and-so, they just put an extra space. It's the exact same answer as mine, correct. Okay, same thing with essay questions. I don't know if the essay questions count it wrong, or if they tell you your teacher needs to review it, but the main thing is not to stress, okay? Because I've got you. I will go back and grade these, so you don't have to worry about that. I try to do it the same day if I can get to it, but please don't stress about this. All right, Canvas is not as smart as we are, unfortunately. All right, so that's the first thing I wanted to tell you. The second thing I wanted to tell you is something we're going to start this new today. So here are your modules for today, and I'm going to publish them, which I don't even have any idea what's going on with the stuff not being published when you come in, because I set it to unlock on time. I'm just going to start publishing it every morning, because it's been frustrating you guys, and I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to go to Student View. This is what you guys will see. Okay, so you come into Math and you look at your to-do list, and it will tell you what to do. It'll tell you first do the which one doesn't belong, check off the mark as done. So I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to click on the which one does not belong. So I really like these because there's not a wrong answer. It's really your own opinion. No one is wrong. And really, no one is right, because all the answers could possibly be true. So we are going to try something, what's called a discussion board. And what you're going to do is you have to come in here and then read it. It says, which one does not belong? Explain why you think that. This is the most important part. If you don't explain it, then I won't understand why you're picking it. Okay? You also must post before you can respond to other people's. So you have to post something before you can see everyone else's responses. You must also respond to one other person's post. Now, you could respond to more than one, but you have to respond to at least one. So here's what you do. This is what it'll look like for you. You're going to go down here and maybe I say this one doesn't belong, okay? And I'm going to say it doesn't belong because it's blue, all right? So I'm going to say the blue, ooh, hang on a minute. Technical problems, okay. The blue one does not belong because it is blue. The other ones are white. Okay, so maybe that's what I think the answer is. So then I'm going to go ahead and do post reply. And what's going to happen, this is test student, that's me. Okay, so after, maybe this is, I'm going to pretend this is somebody else's post. So then I can go in here and say, hey, yeah, I like that idea. Good job, and like it. Or I can reply and say, I can see why you think that, or can you tell me more about this, or something like that, or good thinking. Any kind of comment, as long as it's respectful. That's really what I'm going for here. You guys are the first group I'm trying this on, all right? So that is how to answer a discussion, and then that's all you have to do. And then maybe do this at the beginning of class and then go back in towards the end when all the kids have posted, and then you can go in and respond to other people's posts, okay? Let's see. I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you. So just message me on Canvas or email me if you guys need anything at all, okay? All right. Thank you.